Okay, so here's a calculation with resistors in parallel. So parallel is a little bit different than when you're calculating in series. So here the question says 120 ohms and a 60 ohm and a 40 ohm resistor are connected in parallel across a voltage of 120 volts. Question A says, what is the total resistance? B, what current flows through the circuit? And C, what current flows through each branch of the circuit? So I've drawn a quick sketch of what the circuit would look like. I have 120 volts here, I have a 120 ohm resistor here, a 60 ohm resistor here, and a 40 ohm resistor there. So the first question says, what is the total resistance? So if you remember from the notes, right here, RT is equal to question mark 1 over RT is equal to 1 over R1 plus 1 over R2 plus 1 over R3, which becomes 1 over 120 plus 1 over 60 plus 1 over 40, which becomes, oops, turning it too much, 0.0083 plus 0.01667 plus 0.025, just in case you were wondering about the calculations, which is equal to 0.049. Now, you are looking for RT, so 1 over RT is equal to 0.049. When you cross multiply, you get an RT is equal to 20 ohms. That is your total resistance. Okay, the second question says, what is the current that flows through the circuit? So current, B. Current is equal to V over R, if you remember from the notes. So in this situation, your voltage is 120 volts divided by your resistance, which is 20 ohms, which gives you an answer of 6 amps, if that is okay. Let's move on to the next question. It says, what current flows through each branch? So this needs a little bit more calculations, 3 calculations, because you have 3 branches in the question. So for the first one, current is equal to V over R. So this is a voltage of 120 divided by a resistance of the first resistance, 120, which is equal to 1 amp. The second one, V over R, is equal to, your voltage stays the same, divided by your second resistor, 60, which gives you an answer of 2 amps. Your third one, V over R, is equal to 120, because that stays the same, divided by your resistance of 40, which gives you an answer of 3 amps.